371 ra resolution halo 371
definitely ngin fight ngin Iakhun namar kerkom perkat jengi kinang ilam juga voice of the people party kadai kemen sim Iakhun ngin namlek saka government of India daga jeng artatin ngin lek kadai ka hok ka jengi begini benio ngin don daga jeng perkat panong koyo yo kamayam kadai ka hok ka jengi ngidon daga jeng history ngirung saka India leng baka instrument of accession
to ba
te kani ka schedule kadai ka measure of self government baneda ban protect ini te ka niru kadai ka way ka begidon kam abangi ngilet menta lingba ki ki application hakiwi ki jlang nginang yo ban ban penjana ya ka demand ka jengi but the government of India
to maybe 2028 kan de ka snem hakaba ngila ban ibun ki jingkla mo kat kum ka jingkran president langba jong ka voice of the people party but ba ada kan dia ha ka jing I ka jong thi ha ka PUE ba 371 but 6 schedule kala ban don lang PUE kum no Mizoram
kadang ka 371 tengi I khuporong hai kini kisni bag BJP ka job bon hai ki district council election Mizoram that is the reply
tagwon umlong tangawai kini sha lang bro
snap ka jawab janga se Mizoram kadang article 371G right recently kadang election MDC ka baka BJP ka sweep te phla su thok kai kalong nomlong kai
to kumle shi ba am ta la byang to hang ni ko port